Hello students, this is Sarabjit Kaur and today we will start a new topic, that is this and that. Under this topic there are total 3 subtopics. First one is riddles. So riddle, you all know about this one word, what is the meaning of riddle. This checks about your genuinity and your IQ level. So these are the riddles which we will solve today. First one is, I look at you, you look at me. I raise my right, you raise your left. Who am I? So that is a mirror, which is also given in the picture. Second one is, it has no top or bottom, but it can hold flesh, bones and blood all at the same time. What is this object? That is a ring. Third one is, I am tall when I am young and short when I am old. Who am I? Third one answer is a candle. Fourth one, I went into the woods and got it. I sat down to seek it. I brought it home with me because I couldn't find it. What is it? That is a splinter. Fifth one is, he has married many women but has never married. Who is he? That is a priest. Sixth one is, a book was once owned by only the wealthy, but now everyone can have it. We can't buy it in a bookstore or take it from a library. That is a telephone book. Seventh one is, what do we serve that we can't eat? That is a tennis ball. Eighth one is, what do we throw out when we want to use it but take it when we don't want to use it? That is an anchor. Ninth one is, you answer me all the I never ask you questions. Who am I? That is a telephone. 10th is, give it food and it will live. Give it water and it will die. What is it? That is a fire. 11th one is, take one out and scratch my head. I am now black and once was red. Who am I? That is a matchstick. 12th is, they come at night without being called and are lost in the day without being stolen. Who are they? That is a stars. Second subtopic is Sudoku. So I think you all know about the Sudoku. If you don't know, today I will tell you how to solve this one puzzles. Sudoku is a number placement puzzle. In it, we have to arrange the numbers in a proper way. In each row, there should be different numbers. 7, 5, 1, 9 to 1 to 9 number we have to arrange. So the total number of that whenever we will add, that should be same in each line and in each grid. It is a grid, and in each line from the horizontally and vertically every side it should be same. So here is the first one, 7 5. I have solved this one, 7 5 1 9 2 6 4 8 3. Whenever we will add these numbers, its total will be 45. Whenever we will add these ones in this way, its total will be 45. Whenever we will add these ones as a grids are given in your book, then its total will be 45. In each grid there should be different number, and in each line there should be a different numbers from 1 to 9. In this way you will solve it. I'll give you solutions over here. First one, 7 5 1 9 2 6 4 8 3, 6 2 4 8 3 1 7 9 5, 8 3 9 4 7 5 2 1 6, 9 6 5 1 4 7 3 2 8, 1 4 8 2 9 3 6 5 7, 2 7 3 5 6 8 9 4 1, 5 9 7 3 1 2 8 6 4, 3 1 2 6 8 4 5 7 9, 4 8 6 7 5 9 1 3 2. In this way you have to solve these ones also. Total number of each grid, each line should be same. The next one topic is TV channels. It is also subtopic of this and that. In this topic there is logos are given of the channels. You have to tell that which channel. It is a English channel or Hindi channel. First one is Animal Planet. That is a, if it is a English you have to write E, and if it is a Hindi channel, that then you have to write H. So first one is a English channel, Animal Planet. Second one is GTV, that is a Hindi channel. Third one is Discovery channel, that is also a English channel. Fourth one is Colors, that is Hindi channel. Fifth one is UTV Action, that is a English channel. National Geographic channel, that is a English channel. Life Walk is a Hindi channel. Star World is a English channel. Ninth one is Sub, that is a Hindi channel. 10th one is Star Utsav, that is a Hindi channel. And New Sports, that is a English channel. And students, keep in your mind that you have to make internal questions from these parts. If there will be anything that you know more, and internally there will be questions, and you also know that there will be changing in the statements in the Sudoku also, and they can ask the questions in a different way. They can give you matching in of these ones, and they can give the questions, and they can give the blanks also. So you have to prepare everything properly from your GK book. This is all about this one chapter. If there will be any doubt, you can ask in the comment section box. Thanks and have a nice day.